A protein-rich, low-sugar breakfast stabilizes energy for the day and improves nighttime sleep.
Decoding why you wake up still tired. A significant drop in blood pressure from day to night is known as the dipper phenomenon.
Decoding circadian rhythm and seasonal changes. Progressive muscle relaxation, conscious muscle relaxation technique.
Decoding white noise and potential hidden harm. Does the brain become dependent on sound?
Does it truly help with good sleep? Sleep spindles are bursts of brain activity that help protect sleep from noise.
Experiment. Comparing the effects of fast-release versus extended-release melatonin supplements. SSRIs can disrupt the normal architecture of sleep, particularly by suppressing REM sleep.
We are analyzing the difference in sleep quality when individuals sleep alone versus when they sleep with a partner.
Decoding optimal bedding temperature. Let's explore which materials are best for temperature regulation.
Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly and feel your body sink deeper into relaxation. Decoding the impact of pets on sleep quality.
Decoding the link between traffic noise and cardiovascular disease. Disrupted sleep.
Decoding why nose breathing is better than mouth breathing during sleep. Decoding nitric oxide.
Decoding the sleep of professional athletes, we analyze their total sleep time and deep sleep percentages to optimize physical recovery.
The habit of reading physical books versus e-books before bed.
Decoding sleep and work/study performance. Optimizing sleep time for peak cognitive performance.
So what exactly happens in the brain when someone sleepwalks? Reduced sleep pressure.
Mandibular advancement devices. Their effect on mild sleep apnea. Decoding snoring. Causes and intervention solutions, including devices and surgery. Experiment. Bright light therapy. using high-lux lamps to adjust the circadian rhythm for night shift workers.
Decoding jet lag, the mechanism and the fastest way to adjust the biological clock.
We're looking at mental recovery through sleep, focusing on REM sleep, which helps detach emotion from memory.
Self-hypnosis, guiding the mind into a deep relaxation state.
Decoding why sleep deprivation increases irritability.
The 4 to 7 8 breathing technique. This is breath work that activates the parasympathetic nervous system. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, or CBTI, focuses on 5 core exercises.
Decoding the link between anxiety and sleep onset insomnia.
Decoding why dreams are important. The role of REM in emotional processing and memory.
The natural source of melatonin.
The lower esophageal sphincter, a ring of muscle that acts as a gate between your esophagus and stomach, plays a crucial role.
Experiment. Limiting caffeine after 2 p.m. Analyzing the half-life of caffeine in the body.
Nicotine stimulating the sympathetic nervous system. Perspective, sleep science. The pre-sleep snack, what to eat, low sugar, high healthy fat, or protein to stabilize blood sugar.
Decoding vitamin D and sleep, the mysterious link. Does a lack of vitamin D cause sleep disorders?
The keto diet and sleep, analyzing changes in the REM stage.
Decoding magnesium, the relaxation mineral. Its effect on GABA and muscles.
The 30-minute rule. What to do if you cannot sleep. Analyzing the relaxation technique instead of worrying.
Decoding the role of pillows and mattresses, posture, and pressure on the cervical and lumbar spine. Decoding why waking up at 3 a.m. is common.
Experiment, morning light exposure, 15 minutes of sunlight, analyzing melatonin, cortisol adjustment.
Decoding the impact of electronic devices on brainwaves.
Decoding bedroom is for sleep only. Why is working in bed the worst habit for sleep?
The sunset light trial, shining 660 nanometer red light before bed. Does it boost melatonin production?
Decoding herbs and sleep, valerian, chamomile, L-theanine. How do they interact with GABA receptors in the brain?
The caffeine nap test, drinking coffee then sleeping for 20 minutes. The science behind maximum alertness.
Decoding sleep and muscle recovery. When is growth hormone released, and why does it need deep sleep? Jaw and tongue muscle exercises can significantly improve apnea by strengthening key muscles in the oral cavity and throat.
So how does high-intensity training create a greater sleep demand?
Decoding the effect of alcohol on sleep. Why does alcohol help you fall asleep fast, but destroy REM sleep?
Analyzing sleep data from smart devices has revolutionized our understanding of sleep.
Decoding optimal sleep position. Which position reduces spinal pressure and is best for breathing?
Experiment. Hot and cold shower test. The opposing effects on core temperature and sleep. When is the best time to shower? Welcome to our latest experiment, exploring the efficacy of polyphasic sleep schedules. The late-night eating test, a large meal 1 hour before bed. How do the digestive system and core temperature affect sleep?
The zero blue light test. 7 days of blocking blue light. How do brainwaves change?
Decoding the brain's self-wash system. The role of deep sleep. When does the body activate a survival response against sleep?
Many of us often believe we can simply catch up on sleep over the weekend.
Decoding restless leg syndrome, the mysterious twitches. Are iron and dopamine deficiencies the culprits?
Decoding sleep apnea syndrome, the silent nightmare. Its impact on cardiovascular health and the brain.
Decoding sleep and aging. Why sleep changes with age. The role of sleep in DNA repair.
Decoding cortisol, the stress hormone, hijacking sleep. The link between chronic stress and waking up at 3 a.m.
So when you drink a cup of coffee, caffeine enters your bloodstream and travels to your brain, where it fits perfectly into the adenosine receptors.
Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of sleep science.